Yeah, so, alright guys, so, hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Of course, you guys know I'm in bullseye. But, you know, so, hey, first of all, I want to say thanks for watching all of my videos. We've been having a blast, man, making them and everything, and I got some exciting news coming up for you guys. But today we're headed to a car show. This is actually my first car show of the summer, man. I've just been, you guys know, I've been, you know, grinding away in the garage, building stuff with the 55 Chevy pickup truck, man. But we have been to the, you know, swap meet earlier in the year. But we're going over to Mike Grove's place. He has an annual car show every year, guys. And it's a really nice car show. It's really big and everything. But I want you guys to stay tuned to about the end. I still ain't gonna say the end, but I'm gonna say the middle of this video. I'm gonna let you guys know what I have in store for the channel. And I am very excited, man. I can't wait to share it with you guys. But hey, for right now, let's head on over to Mike Grove's car show, guys, and let's have an awesome time today. And let's go and look at some wonderful cars, see all of this, the work that these people have put into these vehicles and stuff. And I tell you what, this is actually my first time taking Bullseye to Mike Grove's, because last year we took Blue Ash, and hey, Blue Ash stole the show, man. So hey, let's go over here and have a good time today, and I'll turn you guys back on once we get over there, and stay tuned for some, I mean, epic info. Turn you guys back on here in a second. I already know there's gonna be tons of people up here already. Golly. All right, crew, so we finally got out here. Hey, Dennis. Hey, Dennis, I remember too, because that's why I called my truck Bullseye, because they got those original bullet holes back there in that tailgate.
Yeah. You remember it now?
Yeah, I do, yep. I remember the running boards and all that. All right, guys, so I guess this is where it all started, really, guys, right here. So you guys know Bullseye back there. Went down to West Virginia and brought her. So my buddy over here, Dennis, he actually got some original parts that actually came off of Bullseye, and I'm gonna show you guys that, like all the running boards here, the bed sides and stuff, and you see the original hose there, which is awesome, man. See, they got the original hose that Bullseye had with the, if you guys look at the videos, you guys will see when we went down there. This is the original hose there, and that's how Bullseye actually got his name. So I mean, I was gonna keep that tailgate and stuff, but at least we did keep the fender. We did keep the front fender off of Bullseye, and that still got bullet holes in it as well. But anyway, I gave these parts to someone that could use them and that was going to use them. So basically, the rear end and stuff is originally from old Bullseye that's over there. There go Bullseye sitting over there in the shade, guys. I just thought that was an awesome story, awesome content to just let you know originated from Bullseye, man. We donated one and we made a second one here, you know, to go ahead and live on his life. So that's why I love doing these old trucks, guys, because like I said, you may think you got junk or whatever, but there's someone that can use parts. So that's why I don't throw anything away. I think that's awesome, man. Like I said, all of that is Bullseye originality, guys. It lives on in another truck. Tell me that's not awesome. All right. And this is also Dennis's. It's a COE, and you guys seen that one? That was a cab over video. Go back and check out the videos. Got a lot of old pickup trucks here today, guys. All right, so the person that's gonna be singing today, we call him Elvis. He's an Elvis impersonator. So I know this truck probably look familiar.
How you doing?
Hey, now how you doing?
That's Elvis.
Oh yeah, oh Elvis. Yep, I help him with this little truck. I help him with this truck. I gave him some ideas and stuff. He looked at my truck and
You're a long ways from home.
I gave him a lot of ideas, guys. He came and looked at me. I actually gave him some seats, but he didn't use them. And so if you guys are fans of Elvis Presley, he's an Elvis impersonator, and this is what Elvis had on his truck. That's pretty neat.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A lot of awesome vehicles out here, man. But I tell you what, man, it's pretty daggone hot out here today.
That's what he's going to do, make you a mixture.
Pretty hot out here, man.
What you going to do?
Well, I tell you what, I'm going to try to get as many of these cars on video as I can. There's just so many of them.
I know.
I'm going to talk to the hubby. I saw him over there.
Where's your vehicle?
Right there. The red one back there. All right, guys, we'll challenge her. Look at this one here. Like this here, man. Shaker. Hill Kitty. Got the Sinister on this one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, man, so we got a lot of cars to go through, but I tell you what, I'm not gonna go through every last vehicle. Like I said, the video is gonna be a little different from all my other car show videos, man. Just try to show you guys a lot here. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. It's been a lot of stuff, man, a lot of good activity. How you doing?
Good. How about you, pal?
Good. All right, guys, I'm gonna say it had a little intermission, but you gotta be quick around here and stuff. So what you guys think so far, man? Got a lot of good videos out here so far, man. Trying to get away from the music just for a few. It's a live band they're actually having, which is my buddy named Matt Dollar. He is an Elvis impersonator, so he's a real good guy, man. So hey, so this is about the middle, I guess, of this video. And what I want to let you guys know, we're going to be taking a break for the 1955 Chevy build that we're actually currently building in the garage. I got something special coming. It's a wrecked vehicle, but I'm not going to tell you guys the year of the wrecked vehicle. You guys are going to have to watch the videos so you guys can see it coming. But next week, we're going to take a break out of the garage. We're still going to be in the garage, but we're not going to be working on the 55 shop truck, guys. I got another project coming, and it's a wrecked vehicle. It is a 2009. I will let you guys know that it's a 2009 vehicle. I kind of like brought it sight unseen. So that vehicle will be coming one day this week, guys. Hey, I'm so excited. So that was the big surprise for the channel, man. I just wanted to let you guys know. I appreciate you guys all watching the videos. So hey, without further ado, man, let's get back and watch some more of these awesome vehicles, guys. All right, crew, so we are out here still at the car show, man. Been out here all morning long. The sun is finally coming out, and I tell you what, I want to thank you guys for all hanging out with me today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short, but I want you guys to make sure you check out my short videos. Right now they're still on YouTube, but anyway, go to shorts, guys, and see if you guys can find my videos. I will be making, if you guys see on my channel, some 58-second videos. That's for my shorts videos. But anyway, I'm trying something different here. We're here at the car show for Kruisin for Kids, and we're having a good time. So this is the second time that we've been to this car show. You guys enjoyed the car show last year that we were attended to. Right now they're about to do the auctions up here, so I'm gonna call this probably the end of this video. And like I said, guys, this week we'll be starting a new adventure, and we will be doing the wreck 2009 vehicle. I have not told you guys what it is, but hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, when it get here, we'll start doing that video build. So that's gonna be fun. We're gonna take a little break from the 55 Chevy pickup truck, the shop build, and then I'll get back with you guys as soon as we finish this wreck vehicle build. So hey, thanks again for hanging out with me this Saturday morning, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.